Welcome to Bharatiya Bazaar. Today's spotlight product.
Razr50. The phone comes with external displays 3.6-inch LTPS with HDR10, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, up to 90Hz refresh rate and main foldable displays 6.9-inch AMOLED with HDR10+, 120Hz refresh rate, 120% DCI-P3 color gamut. It has 50MP main rear camera with OIS and instant all-pixel focus and 13MP ultra-wide/macro rear camera with 120 degrees FOV. 32MP front camera and 8MP front quad-pixel camera. It comes with 4200 mAh battery and turbo power 33 watts fast charging. It has MediaTek Dimensity 7300X 4nm octa-core processor. The delivery box contains protective cover, 33 watts charger and USB cable. Guides and SIM tool. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like.
And latest news, join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. The link is provided in the description. Ready to conquer? Visit our official Amazon store to purchase Monster up close. Visit our official store, Saraswati Mobile World in Manikonda. And for all the latest deals and updates, Bharatiya Products. Products from the heart of Bharat.
Don't miss a single deal or review from Bharatiya Bazaar. Please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to